Nobody tells you that some of the most beautiful things in the world are made with just a hook and some yarn. Not paintings, not sculptures, yarn. And the people making them are not professional artists with expensive tools. They're regular people sitting on their couch, watching TV, and turning string into something that stops people mid-scroll. That's exactly what we're getting into today. I'm going to show you some of the most beautiful crochet ideas out there. Pieces that look like they belong in a boutique, in a gallery, or in the home of someone with very good taste. And the best part? A lot of these are way more doable than they look. So whether you're someone who's been crocheting for years and you're looking for your next big project, or you're newer to this and you want to see what's actually possible with this craft, this one's for you. Let's start with something that people always underestimate: crochet wall art. And before you roll your eyes and picture something your grandma had hanging in her hallway in 1987, hear me out, because modern crochet wall hangings look nothing like that. We're talking large, textured pieces with layers and fringe and different stitch patterns mixed together to create something that looks almost three-dimensional. People hang these in their living rooms, their bedrooms, their home offices. Interior designers are actually using them. The reason they work so well is the texture. Paint is flat, a canvas is flat, but a crochet wall hanging has depth. It has movement. Every time the light shifts in the room, it looks a little different. The most popular ones right now are neutral tones: creams, beiges, warm browns, with long fringe at the bottom and big open stitches in the middle that create an almost lace-like look. Some people add wooden dowels or driftwood at the top to hang them from. The result is something that looks like it costs hundreds of dollars in a home decor store. And if you're crocheting it yourself, the yarn might cost you 20 bucks. Now, let's talk about something wearable, because crochet fashion is having a serious moment right now, and it's not going anywhere. One of the most beautiful things you can make in this space is a crochet cardigan. Not a thick, heavy one. I'm talking about a lightweight, open-stitch cardigan that you can layer over literally anything. The kind that famous people wear on vacation photos, and everyone goes crazy trying to find in stores. What makes these so stunning is the pattern work. When you use a shell stitch or a fan stitch, you get this repeating pattern that looks incredibly intricate, but is actually one of the more beginner-friendly techniques in crochet. When it's done in a solid color, especially something like sage green, terracotta, or off-white, it looks elegant and effortless at the same time. These cardigans get worn to the beach, to brunch, to music festivals. They photograph beautifully. And if you sell them, people will pay serious money for handmade ones because they can't find anything like it in a regular store. Along the same lines, crochet tops are everywhere right now, specifically the cropped ones with detailed stitch work across the front. What makes a crochet top look beautiful rather than just crafty is the fit and the yarn choice. When you use a smooth, high-quality cotton yarn and work in tight, even stitches, the finished top looks polished. It doesn't look homemade, it looks handcrafted, which is a very different thing. Pair that with a high-waisted skirt or some linen trousers, and the whole outfit looks like something from a fashion editorial. Let's move into home decor, because there is so much beauty to be found here. One of my absolute favorites is the crochet throw blanket. Not the thin, loosely made ones. I mean a chunky, textured throw that you drape over a corner of a sofa or fold at the end of a bed. The kind that makes a room look cozy and intentional at the same time. These are often made with thick yarn, sometimes chunky or even super bulky weight, in a simple but striking stitch pattern like the cobble stitch or the woven stitch. The texture is what makes them beautiful. You could put one of these on the plainest couch in the world, and suddenly the whole room looks designed. Color plays a huge role here too. A throw blanket in a deep, dusty blue or a warm rust color can completely change the feel of a room. Neutral interiors especially benefit from a well-placed crochet throw because it adds warmth and visual interest without being overwhelming. And because they're functional, you actually use them, they're one of those items that's beautiful and practical at the same time. That combination is rare. Now, here's one that surprises people: crochet baskets. Not the floppy, sad kind. I mean structured, sturdy baskets made with cotton rope or thick yarn that actually hold their shape. These things are genuinely beautiful as home storage. People use them for blankets, plants, books, toys, you name it. And because they're handmade, every single one has its own character. You can leave them in natural tones for a simple, clean look, or add a pop of color with a contrasting yarn. Some people add texture by switching between two different stitches throughout the basket, one tighter section, one more open section, and the result looks incredibly deliberate and designed. The reason crochet baskets are having such a big moment in home decor is that people are moving away from plastic storage. They want things that look good sitting on a shelf even when they're not being used. A well-made crochet basket does exactly that. It looks like something you'd buy at an expensive home store, but you made it yourself. That never gets old. Let's talk about crochet bags now, because this is a space where the creativity is absolutely exploding. The market bag, the open mesh bag that stretches and holds way more than it looks like it should, is a classic. But the designs people are creating now go so far beyond that. We're seeing structured crochet tote bags made with stiff cotton and leather handles. We're seeing mini shoulder bags with intricate flower motifs worked into the front panel. We're seeing chunky bags made with thick yarn that have this bold, sculptural quality to them.